Hi everyone. We got our Y62 Patrol about a week and a half ago now, and as many owners realise, the exhaust system doesn't exactly show off the best of the V8 engine. Although we wanted the V8 to sound like a V8, it's also a family car and will be used for long holidays, so having excessive noise or drone was not an option for us. So after reviewing a number of other videos, comparisons on YouTube, we decided that a muffler replacement was the way to go. We went to see Mr. Muffler at Sumner Park. He recommended an offset 3 in, 3 out 14-inch sports muffler. As you can see, the standard Y62 mid muffler is massive and very effective. Now compare this to the new sports muffler installed, and you can see how much space is left over under the body. The offset muffler lines up with the existing pipes, allowing for a neat installation. Check out the size of the stock muffler. What follows is a set of short clips showing the difference in sound between the stock and replacement muffler. I've tried to keep the arrangement of microphones the same, so you can tell what this might sound like in your new Patrol. For best results, I recommend listening with headphones for the remainder of this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of the adventures and projects that we bring to you, please like and subscribe to the channel. You can also connect with us on Instagram or on Facebook. Thanks very much.